Hey, welcome back. This is me, Yusra, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can give Instagram access to your photos. So let's open your settings of your phone. Scroll down until you get the option of Instagram. Click on it and then go into your third option, which is photos. Here you have to choose all photos instead of any other option. In this way, you will give the access to your Instagram to our photos. After that, open your Instagram app. Click on the plus icon which is in the bottom. And you can see that Instagram have access to all of my photos or videos from my gallery. So in this way, you can give access to your Instagram. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.